Hey everybody, welcome to Behind the Boot.
We hope you're having a great walk.
Great what? Great walk.
Come on, Lily. Hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
We just finished day 8 of the CNE here in Toronto. Speaking of Toronto, big announcement today. We are putting the last show on sale for the Big Yellow Boot Tour, and it's in Toronto. October 22nd, tickets are on sale as of today. What's happening back there? You spent the whole Behind the Boot just trying to catch up.
Running towards you.
So yeah, we're really excited about that Toronto show. It's going to be awesome.
So are Keys and Charlie.
And we're looking forward to it.
Jumpin' Jack Granny.
Oh, yes.
She's going to be
She's excited.
shaking her bum.
So guys,
With an accent.
what kind of accent was that?
I don't know.
It's funny getting halfway through a run like this. You start to go a little bit loopy.
What do you mean? Totally.